Hi, welcome to DCE Digital Learning BSc 3rd semester Mathematics. In this session, we discuss convergent, divergent and oscillatory sequences. First, convergent sequence. A sequence AN is said to be convergent if the sequence tends to a finite unique quantity, say L, that is symbolically denoted by limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to L, where L is a unique finite quantity, which means a sequence an is convergent only when the limit of an as n tends to infinity is finite and unique. Next, divergent sequence. A sequence an is said to be divergent or diverges to plus infinity if given any positive real number k, however large, there exists a positive integer m such that an is always greater than k for all n greater than or equal to m. That is, limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to infinity, which means the sequence an is divergent or diverges to plus infinity only when limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to plus infinity. Next, a sequence an is said to be divergent or diverges to minus infinity if given any positive real number k, however large, there exists a positive integer m such that an is less than minus k for all n greater than or equal to m. That is, limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to minus infinity, which means limit of the sequence an as n tends to infinity is equal to minus infinity, then the sequence an is called as divergent sequence or the sequence an diverges to minus infinity. So, in divergent sequence we have two types, diverges to plus infinity and diverges to minus infinity. Diverges to plus infinity means limit of the sequence an as n tends to infinity is equal to plus infinity. Diverges to minus infinity means limit of the sequence an as n tends to infinity is equal to minus infinity. Next, oscillatory sequence. A sequence an is said to be oscillatory sequence if the sequence neither tends to unique finite limit nor tends to plus infinity or minus infinity, or simply a sequence an is said to be oscillatory if it is neither convergent nor divergent. Here also we have two types. First one, a sequence an is said to be oscillate finitely if its limit is finite but not unique. Next one, a sequence an is said to be oscillate infinitely if the limit is oscillate between plus infinity and minus infinity. So, in oscillatory sequence we have two types. First one is oscillates finitely and second one is oscillates infinitely. Oscillates finitely means the limit of the sequence an is oscillating between two finite numbers. Oscillates infinitely means the limit of the sequence is oscillating between plus infinity and minus infinity. Now we solve some problems related to convergent, divergent and oscillatory sequences. First one, test the nature of the sequence an is equal to 1 by n. Here, what is the nth term of this sequence? 1 by n. We apply the limit for an. So consider limit of an as n tends to infinity, that is equal to limit of what is an in the sequence 1 by n. So limit of 1 by n as n tends to infinity. Now if we put n equal to infinity, we get 1 by infinity. Remember, always 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Here, what is the limit of the sequence? 0. So we know that 0 is a finite and unique quantity. So the sequence an is convergent. Next problem. Test the nature of the sequence an is equal to n divided by n plus 1. So consider limit of n divided by n plus 1 as n tends to infinity. Here what is an? N divided by n plus 1. If you apply n is equal to infinity directly, this term takes the form infinity divided by infinity, which is indeterminate form. So to eliminate that indeterminate form, we divide n for both numerator and denominator. If you divide n for numerator, n divided by n becomes 1. Similarly, if you divide n for denominator, first term n divided by n becomes 1 plus second term 1 divided by n. Now if you apply n tends to infinity, we get 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by infinity. We know that 1 by infinity is 0. So that's why we get 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 1 means 1. Here the limit of the sequence is finite and unique. Hence the sequence an is convergent. Next problem. Test the nature of the sequence an is equal to n. Here what is the nth term? N. If you apply the limit, we get limit of n as n tends to infinity. If you put n equal to infinity, we get the limit of the term is infinity. Observe, the limit is infinity, which means the corresponding sequence is divergent, or it is also called as diverges to plus infinity. Next one. Test the nature of the sequence an is equal to 3n plus 4 divided by 5n minus 7. So consider limit of 3n plus 4 divided by 5n minus 7 as n tends to infinity. Here if you put n equal to infinity, we get 3 into infinity plus 4, which means numerator is infinity. Denominator 5 into infinity minus 7, that is denominator is also infinity. That takes the form infinity divided by infinity, that is indeterminate form. So first we eliminate the indeterminate form, then we put n equal to infinity. So to eliminate the indeterminate form, we just divide both numerator and denominator by n. So if you divide both numerator and denominator by n, we get 3n divided by n is 3 plus 4 divided by n whole divided by 5n divided by n is 5 minus 7 divided by n. Now if you put n equal to infinity, 4 divided by infinity becomes 0. Similarly in denominator 7 divided by infinity is also 0. We get 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 minus 0 is 5, which means the limit of the sequence is 3 divided by 5, which is finite and unique. Hence the sequence is convergent. Next problem. Test the nature of the sequence an is equal to minus 1 power n. Here what is the nth term? Minus 1 power n. If you apply the limit for that, we get limit of minus 1 power n as n tends to infinity. Here the value of this term minus 1 power n depends on n, which means if n is odd number, then minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1. Similarly, if n is even, minus 1 to the power of even is plus 1. So what is the limit of this function or term? Minus 1 if n is odd. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n value odd number ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1. So minus 1 if n is odd. Similarly minus 1 to the power of even is always plus 1. So we get 1 if n is even. Means the limit of the sequence is oscillating between plus 1 and minus 1. So here limit is not finite. it is oscillating between two numbers, which means the sequence is called as oscillatory sequence. Particularly it is called as oscillates finitely. Next one, test the nature of the sequence. An is equal to minus 1 power n into n. So here what is an, that is nth term, minus 1 power n into n. If you apply the limit, and here also the value of minus 1 power n depends on n. Suppose if n is odd number, minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1. Minus 1 into infinity is minus infinity. Similarly, if n is even number, minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1. Plus 1 into infinity is plus infinity. Means the limit of the term is oscillating between minus infinity and plus infinity, which means the sequence is oscillatory sequence, or it is also called as the sequence oscillates infinitely. Thank you.